Hello, it's Nathan here again from the photography team. You've probably noticed that myself and Ben have been putting a few videos on recently with film. We've obviously been shooting digital for some time now with our wedding photography and commercial photography, but we just turned our hand to film and we're really enjoying it. So I just thought I'd share a few more pictures with you from some images that I took with a Canon A1 with a some of these images were a 50mm 1.8, and also I had a 28mm f2.8. These are black and white pictures that were shot on Ilford HP5 400 speed black and white film. We also developed these at home using Ilford Tech DDX. So I just put some pictures on for you, and if you enjoy, please comment, like and subscribe, and we will be uploading many more videos soon. Ben has a Leica, I have a Leica, Ben has a Hasselblad medium format camera, so we're going to be doing a few reviews on each of those cameras and some sort of tutorials on how to get the best from those cameras.